Exercise 227. The assuming of risks, the shouldering of responsibility for bearing losses that may arise, is incident to all business and it is inevitable. Stop. However far one pushes the invaluable practice of insurance, this will not avail entirely, and something must needs be left to chance. Stop. Nor, on the whole, would it be good for man if chances were altogether eliminated from life and separated from business. Stop. Uncertainty adds considerable piquancy to a drab existence, though of course nobody desires convulsive or violent changes for the sake of variety. Stop. Though we are taking us all round a very cautious race, there are never wanting among us those willing to take the chances inseparable from business. Stop. And taking one with another, the risk takers profit because since more are ready to develop risk from themselves than are ready to assume it, they can put a premium upon their services. Stop. Those services are real. Stop. What people call remuneration for risk is really earned. Stop. Unless plans were made for a more or less distant future, no progress would be possible. But as soon as futurity comes into the account, chances enters too. Stop. The time element, the changes and chances of this mortal life as it is expressed implies uncertainty. Stop. A natural instinct prompts us to consider enjoyments now as more eligible than enjoyments that are to come. Stop. Few future events are quite free from uncertainty. Gilt-edged securities of the most unblemished reputation fluctuation in value, as anyone with secretarial experience will know. Stop. The man that sinks a mine, even though he acts upon the advice of a geological expert, runs risks, for geology itself is not yet infallible. Stop. The emigrant frequency risks a good deal. Stop. The rubber planter in Ceylon takes risks of political upheavals that might conceivably sweep away his property rights, takes some risk that the secret researches of scientists may devise a suitable substitute, takes risks of market, of weather, of any number of factors that no foresight can predict. Stop. Even when we take seats in the luncheon car, signifying by the act that we accept the offer of the railway company to provide a good meal for 5 shillings, we run risk of not getting the meal we anticipate. Stop. The company too runs some risk, for we may be short of money, or we may have no money to pay, or having it may evade payment. Stop. Exercise 227 over.